What is this situation? Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be my everyday makeup tutorial or my go-to casual makeup look. I don't wear makeup every day, obviously. I'm almost always just at home. When I do go out, I like to go full on with my makeup because it's fun, it's my thing, it's my hobby. I'm not actually going anywhere today. I'm just gonna be at home. That's why I just wore a shirt and put my hair up in this weird hairstyle. And also this is going to be featuring my Falsies hack and my favorite moisturizer. Stay tuned for that and don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. I'm just gonna stop talking now. I don't know what it is with me. I haven't eaten, so I'm so hungry. That's why I'm so confused why I'm so hyper, because I'm not supposed to be hyper because I'm starving. But does that make sense? You know what, whatever, let's just go ahead and start with the video. Let's first address the elephant in the room. First of all, my lip is busted. Second, I do not have brackets on my lower teeth. My dentist here decided to remove my wires. Says that it's not advisable to move my teeth before I get a root canal because it might get infected. I was like, okay, fine. Okay, first step is obviously moisturizer. This is the QV cream and it says replenish your skin, and we got the 500 grams one. Quick backstory on this: when my mother got this, my sister and I were in another store. She suddenly just like went up to us and was like, I bought this moisturizer. Did you know that this is what the makeup artists use here? And then I'm like, what? Of course the lady at the store would say that. I was like, that's not even true. Like, I bet it's not true. Like, it won't even make a difference. When I tried it out, I'm not gonna be using any other moisturizer until I find a better one. I use this for my makeup when I moisturize at night, in the morning when I don't wear makeup. Love it. It's my baby. Pump it onto the back of my hand like that much. Then I'm just gonna apply it like any other moisturizer. I'm not going out, like I said. I'm just gonna be at home. I'm not gonna be applying my moisturizer with SPF, which is a very essential step. I'm just saying, it doesn't matter where you are, you need SPF. Next is primer. The primer that I'm going to be using is the Benefit Porefessional. So I don't really think that a primer is like essential for me because my skin, thankfully, is not a big problem. When I'm being extra or when I have a lot of extra time to get ready, I do use a primer because I already have them, so why not use them, you know? So I'm just going to be putting this. I'm going to apply like that much. What am I gonna do next? Oh, of course. Foundation that I'm gonna be using today is my Bourjois Healthy Mix. I think it was in the shade 56. I think. I just love the consistency and I love the coverage and the way it looks on my face. For my everyday makeup or like my go-to makeup, I like to use sponges or beauty blenders if I want it to look really natural. Okay, next is my hair. Concealer, and for concealer, I'm gonna be using the I can't find it. I'm so confused. Or am I just like not looking at it right? Maybe it's just here and I can't find it. No, it's not here. I'm just gonna use another concealer, but that was like my... Oh, it was right here the whole time, like right in front of me. For concealer, I'm gonna be using my Makeup Forever Full Cover Extreme Camouflage Cream. It looks like this. I like the coverage of this. I don't like a very thick foundation, but I like a full coverage concealer. I'm gonna use my ring finger. I'm just gonna dip it there and apply it to my under eye. My under eyes have been so bad lately. I just can't sleep well. I have insomnia, so yeah, it sucks, but it is what it is. I'm gonna take my beauty blender again and blend my under eye area first. I like to pounce. So for my under eye area, I'm going to be setting it with the Maybelline FitMe in the shade Light. I'm going to be taking this fluffy brush from Swish. I've had this for a really long time. And I'm going to set my eyelids as well. Next is I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I'm gonna be using a product that's really close to my heart. This is one of the very first makeup products that I ever bought for myself. It's the Rimmel's Day Mask. This was so hyped up on YouTube like years ago. I hit pan, see? That's how fast I use this up because I love it so much. I'm in the shade 004 Sandstorm. And I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush from Swish and I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Yay! Okay, now that everything is set, I keep saying I'm gonna go ahead and it annoys me, but I can't stop saying it. It's just one of the things that I don't even notice myself saying anymore. It just blurts out of my mouth. Okay, whatever. Now I'm just gonna go ahead. See, I said it again. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna use the number 12 brush from ABH. I'm gonna use the spoolie to brush them up. I'm not gonna be using the angled side of the brush. I'm very loyal to my Morphe E11. It's so big. I'm gonna show you guys how big it is compared to this one. See? And how big the angled brush of the Morphe one is compared to the Anastasia one. I like to use powder, but I like to wet my brush every time I use powder. So I'm just gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm gonna spray once. It's not working. What is happening? I'm gonna spray once. Okay, that worked. Oh, I didn't spray once. And I'm gonna use my MAC Cork first. This is like a very light eyeshadow, but I use this for my brows. I'm gonna go in with my brow powder duo from Anastasia and I'm in the shade dark brown. I'm gonna go in with the brush, that brush from Anastasia. I'm gonna take the darker color, which is this color right here, apply this onto the outer parts of my brows, or the parts of my brows where I feel like it's a little bit more sparse. Contour, blush, and highlight, and all of that jazz. Bronzing up my face, I'm gonna be taking my Kiko Essential Face Palette, which my boyfriend bought for me. I said that in the last video, but thanks, babe. Look at this pan. It got broken and it was a mess. So I'm just gonna be taking these two shades together with my Bobbi Brown Face Blender brush. And I'm gonna kind of contour and bronze my face at the same time. This bronzer is the Kiko Natural Color Bronzer. I love Kiko. It's one of my favorite drugstore brands and they have it here, so I'm really excited about that. I'm just gonna take this and use this to like bronze up my face because the other one looked really pink. And for contouring my nose, I'm gonna use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna use this shade. Tap off the excess. Damn, I look so dirty now. Crusty. And start right here in the middle, and then go down. And I'm just gonna keep on going up and down until I get the intensity that I want. To clean up the contour, I'm gonna take the brush that I used a while ago to set my under eye area. I'm gonna take these two powders together, mix them up. I'm just gonna pinch it and then go down the center of my nose, and then I'm also gonna diffuse the side as well. Okay, next, blush. Not Outlaw. Outlaw's way too dark. Look at that. But it's so pretty. I'm gonna use the shade Torrid. This one's a little bit more corally, peachy even. And this one's just like dark red, fuchsia-ish. So I'm gonna take Torrid, this brush right here, Royal and Langnickel. I'm gonna put some on my nose as well because I like the sunburn effect that it gives me. Oh, curl. I'm just gonna use the Nars Albatross. Take my Morphe fan brush. Okay, for the eyes, when it comes to my eyeshadows and my lip, I change them up a lot. It just depends on my mood or how much time I have. Sometimes I don't even put eyeshadows, sometimes I do. Today, what am I feeling? I'm feeling like peachy, so I'm gonna be using my TooFaced Sweet Peach. I really love this. I just love the smell. I'm gonna take my Morphe M441, take the shade Peaches and Cream and Georgia together. I'm gonna take Puree and Summer Yum, mix them together. Put this on my outer V. To blend that out, I'm gonna be using the M441 with no additional product, and I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take this brush from Royal and Langnickel, which is the eye shader brush. I'm taking Caramelize, this shade right here. And then I'm gonna be taking the shade Just Peachy, which is above Caramelized, with the same brush, and put that on top of Caramelized. Ooh, this shade is really pretty. After that, I'm gonna go in with the shade Charmed, I'm sure, and put this on my outer V just to darken the look up a little bit. And then I'm gonna be taking the M441 again and just blend the colors together. So next is I'm gonna take the Morphe M432 and I'm gonna take the shade Charmed, I'm sure, again, and put this really close to my lash line, kind of mimicking how an eyeliner would look, but I'm just taking eyeshadow. Done! So then I'm gonna take my curler and then curl my lashes and then apply some mascara. The mascara I'm going to be using is the Benefit Roller Lash. I'm just going to let that dry. Then I'm going to apply Falsies, which is the most exciting part. I love Falsies so much. I'm gonna be using the Ardell ones in the style Claudia. It's like this. My favorite one from them is actually the Demi Wispies, but I'm out of them now. They just look like shit now. Look. And the way I remove falsies is I kind of take this part and just pull on it. I'm gonna cut it out from the outer corner. Just feel like easier when you do that, like you're not really gonna mess it up so much. The lash glue that I'm gonna be using is the Ardell Lash Grip. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the glue on top, not under. So I'm gonna apply it right there. Then I'm gonna let it dry. This is gonna be so hard. I have to do this with 2 hands. Open my eyes up. Oh shit. Okay, no, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna open my eyes up and apply it underneath directly to the, ouch, the hair. I feel like I should have cut more. This is like poking into my inner corners. There's nothing I can do about it now. So I'm gonna take my lash grip and do the same to this falsie. Success. So now let's just finish the lower lash line. Take Morphe M432 and I'm gonna mix Puree and Summer Yum together. And to line my waterline, I think I'm gonna go for a nude eyeliner. So I'm gonna be using my Sephora eyeliner. And then apply some mascara on my bottom lashes as well. I don't normally do the next step because I always forget, but since I remembered, I'm just gonna go ahead and take Nectar, this gold shimmer shade, with a tiny flat shader brush, and I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. And I'm also gonna highlight my brow bone. Okay. Now for lip. What should I use for my lips? I think I'm gonna go and apply the Shiseido Amber Afternoon Lippie. So that is it for the finished look. I hope that I was able to help, and I hope that I wasn't being annoying. But yeah, that is it for my everyday or my go-to casual makeup look, and those were my everyday makeup products or my go-to makeup products. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button if you guys liked the video. If you guys didn't, then okay, fine, sorry, just kidding. Yeah, if you guys didn't like it, then I'm sorry. That is it for my video today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. See ya.